guys, this is Divya and welcome back to my channel and a very happy new year to all of you. I hope that आपका 2018 बहुत अच्छा गया होगा and I wish that 2019 goes really well for you. And yeah, now let's begin with the video. So as you can see from the title, today's video is online shopping haul and this haul is from the new app that is YEA3. I think it's called YEA3 and it's a new app. It's a Chinese app. It's available on Play Store, so you will be able to get it on Android, and it's not available for iPhone right now, so for that you have to use the URL. So everything I'll mention in the description box as well, and I'll try to show everything here as well with the screenshots. So basically, as I told you, it's a Chinese app. It's kind of similar to Club Factory and all. It's a very reasonable and very affordable online app where you get products at quite reasonable rate. So honestly, I wasn't aware of this app. It was very new to me, as I think it would be to you as well. I got to know about this app when someone from this website contacted me and asked me to review the products. So they have sent me a few products which I will be showing to you and I'll be reviewing them in front of you. Also, you will find one more feature here. आप यहाँ पे VIP access ले सकते हो and you can get the products at cheaper rates. There is a membership of ₹29, so you have to pay ₹29 and आपको काफी डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा. Around 20 to 30% discount you will get on a product. Like suppose it is for ₹323, then you will get it in ₹275 or something. So once you open the website, you will see that you have to pay ₹29. Just pay that price and you will see that when you are choosing the product price will be, at very less rates. So that is not a rocket science or very difficult procedure to understand. Once you go to the website, it will be very easy for you to understand and do the payment for ₹29 and then get the discounts thereafter. So I think that is a very good option they have included and it makes the products really very affordable. Okay, rest all information I'll put in the description box so you can check them out easily. And moving on to the haul now, I will quickly show you what all I have got from the website. So yeah, so this is how you will receive your package. This is how they will send the package to you. Okay, so this is the first product which I have got from them and it's a pink pullover sweater, and let me show you how this looks. So this is the kind of the packing you will be receiving. It's quite a good packaging. It's completely sealed. Talking about when I got these products, I think in 7 days maximum I got these products. So whenever you order, you will be getting your products after 7 days. So this is how this pullover looks. It's a O neckline pullover and it's a beautiful and very pretty pullover. I actually wanted a pink pullover from very long time and I have been searching it on websites to order, but as I told you previously also, it doesn't make any sense to me for investing huge amount in buying winter clothes, because I know that winter is for very less duration and I do not want to go for the street shopping for such light colors because because of the quality and all. So yeah, I was wanting it from very long time and then when I checked it on their website, I thought of picking this up. So there are 2 colors available in this. There is one grey color as well. You can check that as well, but I already have grey color. Also, it is very important to have some basic sweaters like grey, black, white in your wardrobe. So I do have black, white and other kind of sweaters, and this one was missing from my wardrobe, so I thought of adding it as well. Now talking about the quality is awesome. It's super soft on skin, very soft on skin. If you touch it, you can feel it that it's very soft, and the color, as I told you, is very nice. You can see it yourself. Also the design on it, it's a very basic design, but talking about the quality, it looks super nice. So all in all, I think I got it for ₹800 or something. It's not very cheap in rate, or the price is not very low, but I think, as I told you, that on the websites or in the mall you get these products for these prices only. So it's quite affordable if we compare, like it's a winter product and it's a very good quality product. So comparing to the quality and all, I think 800 is worth spending on it. So yeah, that's all about the first one. Let's move to the second one. So the second product which I have is this very cute makeup bag. So this is how this one looks. Now this is very cute and there were so many colors available in this one. So it's a makeup bag where you can keep your cosmetics and it has all this inside, and there is this thing to tie it over here to hold the bag. So talking about the quality of this one is really nice. Again, it has a great shine on it. It's very shiny and it's very firm and very sturdy if you pick it up, and then you can put all your basic makeup. Like, it has quite good space inside it, and you can obviously store all your basic makeup like kajal, lipstick, lip gloss, mascara and all. And this one was for rupees 300, I guess, and I think for this price and this combination, this cute color and everything, it is quite reasonable. If you are not ready to invest this much into a makeup or a cosmetic pouch, then there were some other makeup pouches as well, which were for around 150 rupees or something, or maybe less than that. I'll put the screenshot or the link in the description box. They were also very cute, but they do not have this much design. They had design on them, but that was a little bit designing, but they were also super cute. There was one pouch with the lip pout over there, and that was also very cute, but I thought of going for this one because of the different color combinations on it. So I'm quite happy with this one also, and let's quickly move on to next one now. Okay, next I have the cutest thing. So I bought these slippers, which I think are the cutest, and I had to buy this from long time. I think I have got all the stuff which I had to buy from very long time, and I got this opportunity, so I thought of, you know, going for this one. Now these are super cute. Again, there were so many colors available. No, there were not so many colors. There were like 3 colors. I think this one, purple, and some other colors. So there were some colors which you can choose from. Now these are like very soft, very nice, and like I think all the colors were really nice, but I think I got the pink sweater, so I thought ki sab kuch pink le lete hain. So yeah, this one is also very nice, and it's written made in China. And if we look at the base is very sturdy. So like the overall combination is very nice. Again, I got it for around rupees 300. So I'll put all the links in the description box so that it is easy for you to understand and check them out. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, this is also very nice. I would definitely recommend to check this out. Super cute. I will wear them now. Okay, so the next thing which I have with me is this beautiful choker. Now this is really pretty, and I was actually not sure कि ये कैसा निकलेगा. I was also like very dicey कि ये अच्छा आएगा कि कैसा आएगा, but it is really beautiful. There are 2 colors available in this one. One is golden, one is silver. So I have gone for the golden one. It is not exactly pure gold color, but it is like a tinted gold, and it has this, you know, kind of a pattern of a flower, and then there are silver stones attached. Now this is such a pretty and beautiful choker. I mean, I was not expecting it to be this good. You can wear it on saris or any ethnic wear, but I think ये बहुत ज़्यादा fashion में अभी with the shirts and with the western dresses as well. So like right now I'm wearing a choker. You can definitely wear it like this, and I think it will look really beautiful. It will look very beautiful. And talking about the quality of this one, the finishing is like really perfect. It is very lightweight. You know, it doesn't have that much weight. बिल्कुल भारी नहीं है, but it doesn't look कि आसानी से टूट जाएगा या इसे कुछ हो जाएगा. So this one is such a beautiful piece, and I actually wanted to try something from the jewelry section, so I have gone for it, and I don't regret it a bit. I am just loving this one. So you will be seeing me wearing this in a lot of videos ahead, and I'll be styling with sari, suits, and with the western dresses as well. So let me see, I'll style and in my future videos, and let's see how it goes. So on this website I could see like lot of cute things, like very colorful and very cute thing, like my kind of things. Next I got these socks. So there were like very cute color socks, like pink. So I had bought a lot of pink color stuff now, so I thought of getting a different color. So these are the socks, and yeah, they are super pretty, and they are like ankle length socks. Again, I got them because they were looking very cute. The color is very cute, and this black thing on it is also very cute, and it was for rupees 80, I guess, and I thought that for this price I can at least try how they are. And like, yeah, they look of very good quality and very nice, very stretchable, and the quality looks perfect. So the next thing which I have is these hoops. So lately I am super obsessed with the hoops. I've got like so many hoops. I have got like thicker hoops, golden hoops, silver hoops, and I thought of trying hoops from them as well. So it's like they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is a set of 5 and I think it was for rupees 150. And it is not like a simple golden hoop. It has some detailing on the curves. So it is very nice and I think I got it for rupees 150, and in 150 rupees getting 5 pair of golden hoops of good quality is like really nice. So they have all the sizes in it, from starting from the smaller to the bigger one. So yeah, this one was for 150 rupees after the VIP discount. I think for this price it is worth buying it. Okay, the next product which I have with me is this belt. So I thought of trying some basic products from this website so that I can see कि actual में products हैं कैसे. So I went for this basic belt. So it's a black color belt. It has a silver buckle at the front and it's a round buckle. If we see, it has good length, and talking about the quality is quite nice. It is very shiny and frankly I've started using it and I have liked it. I got it for rupees 300 and I think it's a nice purchase in this price. It's not very sasta or very cheap in rate, but I think for the rate it has good quality, it fits good, it looks good, it doesn't look cheap at all. So yeah, I think it's a good belt at good price. Yeah, I also got this thing. It's a foot scrubber, I guess. It's very soft, very soft. So they have sent few free gifts with the parcel. So what I am assuming is that they might be sending them to all the customers. And it's a foot scrubber. And it's a foot scrubber, I guess, or it's a back scrubber, I don't know, but it's like very soft. It cannot be foot scrubber. I don't know, and nothing is written on it. I don't know what they have sent, and in my order also it's not written. It just came in a packet and it was written gift, but it's like really soft. I think it's for back or something. Yeah, like it's very soft. I don't know how much it is for. It's a gift. Yeah, so I think when you buy something you will also get some kind of free gifts. So yeah guys, that's it for today. Also, the giveaway winner announcement had to be done, so that would be in the description box. You can check out the winner. Hearty congratulations to all the winners. Thank you so much for participating in the contest. Yeah, so that's it. So yeah, that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed this video, do click on the like button, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you are notified every time I upload a video. Yeah, I'm tired. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you in my upcoming videos. Till then, you take care of yourself. Tata. Bye.